our program and he has to rush back to Calicut. So he is having the train now. So I am taking a pardon of everybody.
2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, he came 2 o'clock early morning to here actually. See, without sleep he's come to for the joint 8th schedule of Tulu language. That is what our this one. And my kind request with you, sir, this time election is going to come. So this is the right time. I humble request with you, your party has to put a note in manifesto here, actually 2 MPs, or in Kasaragod. You have to put a note in manifesto that our fight is for 8th schedule, 1 point in that also.
Actually, I forgot to tell you one thing. Why I came to know about this subject? It was the demand of my party CPI to include Tulu in the 8th schedule of the constitution. So then only I came to know about this. I'm telling you. Thereafter I introduced the bill, and I can assure you one more thing: Tulu will be included in the 8th schedule within a short span of time. I hope so, and I will speak to you in Tulu in the next meeting.